Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this look using some of my favorite products, so keep on watching. First, I'm taking our Amazonian Clay foundation onto our buffer brush and buffing that into my skin. Next, I'm taking our Shape Tape setting powder and I'm just going to set my under eye and any other areas that I tend to get more oily. Then I'm going to take our Park Ave Princess bronzer bar and I'm going to chisel those cheeks. And the forehead too. Next, I'm taking our Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the shade Glisten. Next, I'm taking our Tartelette in Bloom palette and I'm taking the shade Jet Setter and applying that to my brows. Next, I'm applying the shades Sweetheart and Rebel to my crease and just buffing that up towards the brow. Then I'm going to pack the shade Leader all over the lid. And make sure to pack this instead of buffing. You'll get maximum pigment. Now I'm just gonna blend all that together. And I'm going to apply that same shade to the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take my favorite Maneater Voluptuous mascara and apply a few coats of that just to prep for falsies. Then we're gonna pop on our cruelty-free lashes in the style Glamazon. These are soups dramatic. And that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and until next time, I'll see you soon.